Every deck you've ever shuffled was born in a place like this. This is where it begins. This line never really stops. A new deck is born here every few seconds. One hand holds paper, the other holds a card. Everything in between is precision. Standard playing cards are built from paperboard laminated to 300. From a blank sheet to a shrink-wrap deck, this single line does it all. Every roll is graded before it enters the plant. A card is only as good as the board beneath it.
If the board's too thin or too stiff, it never reaches the presses.
The warehouse holds enough board for 3 days of non-stop printing.
Precision starts before ink ever touches the paper. Every sheet is accounted for before it becomes a card. Humidity changes paper before the presses ever do.
This hidden layer is why you can't see light through a card, and why it snaps back when bent. This is the moment paperboard becomes a card. Everything before this was preparation. Feed misalignment as small as 1% can waste hundreds of sheets per hour. This is the first moment the card exists as more than paper. If the colors are off by even a fraction, the whole sheet is rejected.
The ink has to be bone dry before it meets the next press pass.
Every pip, every suit has to land in the exact same spot on all 52 cards.
The court cards get extra passes. That fine line work is where the artistry lives.
A trained eye catches what the camera sometimes misses. This sheet just failed into the reject bin.
This coating is what gives the deck its signature shuffle-ready feel.
The coating hardens in under a second, permanently sealing the print beneath it.
This layer is what gives the card its snap when you bend it. You can feel that texture before you even look at the card. That feel is engineered.
Thousands of future cards, stacked flat, waiting for the blade.
This is the moment 52 cards stop being one sheet and become a deck. Even the corners have a specification. A sharp corner tears. A rounded one lasts. Every card in a standard deck is trimmed to the same fraction of a millimeter.
The camera checks every single card. Nothing gets past it unnoticed.
Ace to king. In every suit, the sorter never loses track of order.
52 cards plus jokers, Insdo. Now it's a complete deck, not just a stack of paper. A few seconds of vibration and 54 loose cards become one tight deck. The band is temporary. It just needs to hold the deck together for one more step. Automated banders apply over 3,000 decks per hour. A missing card would show up right here, on the scale, before it ever reaches a customer. A machine can measure thickness. Only a hand can tell you if a deck shuffles right. A signature here means every deck in this batch is accounted for. The printing is done. What's left is making sure every deck is packaged to last. The blade moves once. Every deck in the stack comes out identical. The box the deck lives in starts flat, just like the cards once did. The robot has done this 10,000 times today. Every deck sits exactly the same way. That foil stamp takes a fraction of a second, and lasts the life of the box. This code is permanent. If this deck is ever returned, it traces straight back to this line.
That crinkle when you open a new deck, this machine is where it starts.
A torn wrapper never leaves this line. It gets caught right here. This is the last chance to catch a mistake before the deck reaches a shelf.
The box gets the same scrutiny as the cards inside it.
One box in every batch gets opened, just to prove the rest are exactly the same.
If it doesn't fit the frame, it doesn't go in the case. No exceptions.
The last thing that touches the box is a puff of clean air.
Some decks travel alone. Others travel in 2s and 4s, bundled right here.
This carton is designed to go straight onto a store shelf. No repacking needed.
This carton is the deck's armo.
A wrong label on the right box still sends it to the wrong place. Dozens of cartons, thousands of decks, all converging toward one pallet. One pallet. Dozens of cartons. Thousands of decks, ready to leave the building.
One carton gets opened. If it's right, the whole pallet ships.
Raw paperboard on one end, sealed decks on the other. This is everything in between. A facility of this,
the line ran at over 90% efficiency today. That number is earned, not assumed.
Every deck here started as flat paperboard this morning. By tomorrow, they're somewhere in the world.
52 cards, 2 jokers, 1 box. Every stage on this floor led to this one deck in your hands.